Hi Mekorma users! In this video, I'd like to show you how you can approve Dynamics GP payment batches on the go using our new mobile application, PowerApprovals. With Mekorma PowerApprovals, you can get the job done from anywhere, on any device. Let's follow Ryan and Debbie as they navigate the approval process before PowerApprovals and after PowerApprovals. Ryan is the CFO of an online educational institution that consists of two separate branches, and he's responsible for approving most outgoing vendor payments for the whole enterprise. Debbie works in accounts payable, and part of her job involves building all the payment batches in Dynamics GP and making sure the workflow keeps on track. Before Ryan had PowerApprovals, things went something like this. Debbie would build payment batches every Tuesday and request approvals, and then wait. Ryan received email notifications that batches were pending his approval, but he was in a meeting or at the airport and nowhere near a GP workstation. This created frustration all around. Since Ryan couldn't do his job, Debbie couldn't complete hers. And worst of all, sometimes payments weren't sent out on time and they missed out on significant vendor discounts. Then Ryan purchased Mekorma's mobile app, PowerApprovals. Now, when approval notifications roll in on Tuesday afternoons, no matter where he is, Ryan picks up his phone, launches PowerApprovals, and has immediate access to every transaction he needs to approve in both GP companies. He can easily view at the vendor transaction level or by batch. Sorting options also help customize his experience. Just as in Dynamics GP, Ryan can drill in to see vendor payment details using the expansion dropdown. This view shows him all vouchers that make up the vendor payment. To see invoices or other supporting documentation, he can click on the attachment link and choose from the list of PDF doc attach items that Debbie previously attached in GP. Since this invoice amount does not correspond to the payment entered, Ryan needs to reject the payment. He'll mark the box at the bottom of the payment details screen, which brings him back to the list of transactions. That vendor payment is now selected for further action. When he presses the Reject button at the bottom of the screen, the rejection window will open, and he can type in a reason for the rejection, or choose a quick reason from a predefined list. Once this payment has been rejected, Debbie will receive an email letting her know that she needs to check the Mekorma Reject batch. The rejected transaction will be added to the list, and she'll be able to see the reason for the rejection on the rejection report. Now, Ryan can quickly approve the rest of the transactions in just a couple button clicks. Debbie will again receive an email that batches are ready to go, and she and her team can move forward with printing and processing. With PowerApprovals, Ryan has no problem approving, no matter where in the world he happens to be. Debbie can keep AP on track, and their vendors receive payment exactly when they should. If you'd like the ease and efficiency of approving payments from a phone, tablet, or web browser, contact our sales team to schedule a live demo where we can answer your questions or purchase now. Thanks so much for your time.